This video will demonstrate how to pass through the crank course with the aid of the various sighting points by applying low speed control. As you approach the course, consult rear view mirror, signal intention, reduce speed, and change gears if necessary. When turning left into the course, position the car parallel to and about 1 meter away from the left curb, or by sighting a quarter from the front left of the bonnet meets with the left curb. Drive forward slowly. When the left front door lock is in line with the left curb, check the left blind spot and full lock steering wheel to the left and turn into the course. When turning right into the course, position car parallel to and about 0.5 meter away from the center line. Drive forward slowly till the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb. Ensure there is no oncoming traffic and check the right blind spot before turning into the course according to the curvature of the turn. When the car is inside the course and almost parallel to the left curb, return steering wheel to straighten the front wheels. Drive forward slowly. Glance to the left and right of the course as you pass through the course. When making a right turn inside the course, the sighting point is where the right door lock is in line with the tip of the right curb. At this point, full lock steering wheel to the right. When the car is almost parallel to the right curb, return steering wheel to straighten the front wheels. Drive forward slowly to the next turn. When making a left turn inside the course, the sighting point is where the left door lock is in line with the tip of the left curb. At this point, full lock steering wheel to the left. When the car is almost parallel to the left curb, return steering wheel to straighten the front wheels. Drive forward slowly to the exit of the course. Stop before the give-way line if necessary. Check the front, left, and right to ensure that it is safe to move out of the course. To turn left to exit the course, signal left and reconfirm safety to the right. When the left door lock has passed the left curb, check your left blind spot and full lock steering wheel to the left. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. To turn right to exit the course, signal right and reconfirm safety to the left. When the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb, check your right blind spot and turn according to the curvature of the turn. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. Form up in the correct lane and continue to drive normally. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question.